Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12X, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles will be the Do Not Disturb toggle, so let's see if I can quickly find mine, and it's right over here on the second page. So once you see yours, if you're doing this the first time around, I would recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. And here we have a limited amount of options, like for instance the schedule, so this will allow you to create multiple schedules, which will then also allow you to select day of the week and start and end time for that day of the week, so that's pretty good. And one more, if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on, like for instance this one is right now. And scrolling a little bit further down here, we have things like contacts and apps. It's an exceptions to the mode once it's running, so you can select some kind of contacts that will be able to ignore this mode, and applications. And then we also have ring for repeated colors. This option will basically bypass whatever you have selected right here, and silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. Anyway, once you have gone through the settings, you can then find the toggle and simply tap on it whenever you want to enable it manually. Unfortunately, there is no option to select it on a timer, unless, I guess this is one, but there isn't one in the settings. So you can choose a predetermined timer right here. We have 1, 2, or 8 hours. So let's just say I'm gonna set it to 2 hours. And now you can see that under that it tells me that it's going to be off at 7:03. So it's a nice option. If you tend to forget about the Do Not Disturb mode running, it's a very good thing to enable, as otherwise this mode will run indefinitely in the background. And just to check this, once you re-enable it again just goes to until turned off, so you'll need to do this every single time, unlike other devices which give you this kind of option in the settings, but you can permanently enable it. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.